Hi y'all, this is So Blessed. Welcome to the Blessed Place. How y'all doing? I decided to give you a bookcase tour. I love my little bookcase back there. And we're getting ready to move, pack up this whole house. And before I break down my bookcase, I thought I'd share some of my books with you all. Now, let me just warn you, some of them are spiritual, some of them are relationship based, and some of them are downright raunchy. So I'll tell you when I get to the raunchy part, just in case you want to click off after that. But if you stay on, I don't want you clutching your pearls at some of my books, all right? All right, so here's the tour. Okay, we'll start with the entire look of the bookcase. It's a long, tall, slender, gray bookcase that's from IKEA. And my sister Denise and Danica put together for me because I'm not good at those things. And it's here in our living room den area. And it's kind of directly across from the front door. So front door is there and directly across the way is my bookcase. So let's just walk up to it and we'll start from the top. I love this sign. You'll see signs all over my house, but this sign here is the ABCs of marriage. And I'll train it right there just in case you want to pause it and read the ABCs of marriage. Did I get them all? Oh, I don't know if you can see them all. Let's see. And yeah, and the bottom of it there. Okay, that's the top shelf. Then we go here to some of my favorite authors. We have some Elin Harris. I love Elin Harris. I know he's passed away, but I love his books. Terry McMillan, and a lot of my fiction books. Again, more Elin Harris. I love Elin Harris. And here I have some relationship books on the next shelf. I have some of my favorite, absolute favorite is His Needs, Her Needs, by, I think it's Willard Harley. This is my absolute favorite. Marriage on the Rock by Jimmy Evans, and that rock being Jesus Christ. Absolute favorite book on relationship. It's an old one, but it's a good one. As a matter of fact, I think I have it twice. I might have it twice here. I bought one, and then my girlfriend gave me a copy. Me not realizing I already had one. And Sacred Marriage. So I think this is where it all began with me. Mars and Venus. Oh no, that's Mars and Venus in the bedroom. But I had one, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. I've gotten rid of so many books over the years, just moving. If I could say one of my biggest regrets is giving away my books. I had like maybe 100 more books, and I had to narrow it down to these. Okay, and then I have a few of, like some of these are my dad's books, where he's read and marked up, but Acts of the Apostle. So that's my dad's handwriting in there. I have quite a few of his stuff. Miles Monroe. Oh, you talk about the best teacher of all things spiritual, Miles Monroe. And I'm hoping that y'all can see all that because who knows where I have this camera. And my next level, this is the third level down. I have some spiritual stuff. Have some Juanita Bynum and some T.D. Jakes and some Creflo Dollar. And I'm sure you probably say all flawed people, but who's not? I'm flawed, you're flawed. But hey, we love the Lord. And then got some Psalms 91. You talk about a good book to read. Psalms 91. God's shield of protection. You need some protection. Or when we read up on protection, that Psalms 91 is a good one. And as a matter of fact, it's so good, I got 2 different books on Psalm 91. So that is the second level there, or third. That's the third level. And then this is where, okay, let me say, this is where, if you are a little sensitive, if you don't want to know about the rest of the other books, just kind of click off, skip ahead, because I think I have some other ones at the bottom. But this is a guide to getting it on. And I love these books, And I'm not saying that I didn't need them because, hey, I'm sure they helped me too. But I'm a relationship coach. And part of relationship, especially if it's a married relationship, is sex. So I had to do my homework. Secrets to better sex. What is this? Sexual intimacy. What is this? The magic of sex. And the intended pleasure. So those are my sexual pleasure books. And this is whenever I'm trying to eat to lose, eat to win. And then Delicious Sex. That's one of my favorite books on sex. Then Zane. I love Zane. I love Zane books. And this is the funny one. Tickle His Pickle. Hey, that's not your thing. Just look past that. If it's your thing, hey, there's a book to learn how to tickle his pickle. So, there's a funny story about these books. When we moved into an apartment that had a built-in bookcase, and I said, baby, you mind if I put my books, display my books out, my sex books? And he said, no, I don't mind if you display your books. This is our house. He said, we're not doing anything behind the closet. Hey, this is our house. If anybody don't like it, they don't have to look or they don't have to visit. So we don't hide our stuff in the closet. We display it. Okay, and then here's my favorite author, one of my favorite authors, James Patterson. And just a lot of I love this Bible dictionary, but a lot of fiction. John Grisham, definitely one of my favorite authors. And then down here, have another sign. This is our happy place. Back there's a vase that I won. Nice vase. But I won that at a seminar I went to. And this is our happy place. I love that because this is definitely my happy place. But we're moving on to another happy place. So I just wanted to share my bookcase with you guys because tonight I'll be packing this stuff away when I got some tins or bins to put my stuff in, and I will be packing all this stuff away, putting it in storage for a while until we buy our next home. All right, you guys, hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, that's the end of my bookcase for now. Y'all be blessed. Okay, that's my book tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Tell me, what is your favorite book or who is your favorite author? Share with me in the comments. Love y'all. I miss y'all. Got lots to do over the next couple of days to take everything out of this house and put it in boxes. All right, love y'all. Y'all be blessed.